Hello YouTube family, welcome back to the channel. If you've been watching us for any length of time, you know that we started our flat garden 4 years ago, and during that time we fertilized, we tilled it, and we did everything that was needed so we could have an awesome flat garden. Well, today's the day. We are redoing our flat garden. We're going to fertilize, we're going to till, we're going to get everything done that we have been talking about for about the past 2.5 years.
Yep.
I'm Jerry.
And I'm Dawn.
And we're
living the Newcomb life.
Okay, so basically what I'm going to do is, before I start tilling, I'm going to add blood meal, bone meal, and worm castings. Basically, we are going for the most natural ingredients that we can to help out our garden and give our plants the best start that they can. Blood meal is good for nitrogen, which is for green leaf growth. The bone meal is good for potassium, which is good for root growth, and the worm castings will help the general health of the plant. And generally what I do is I till twice. I go one way and then I will go this way to get everything tilled up so that we can give our plants the best start that they can.